Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to install a shower drain here into this shower pan here. It's a brand new pan, of course. Pretty simple to do, guys. Okay, this is your cover, of course, and it came with a locking tool here. So I'll show you how to use that later. That's actually going to go on top here. This is going to go over once you take off your lock here. And the seal is actually going to go over on top of that. So, okay. Again, pretty simple to do. First, I got to, of course, take off the wrap off this. Again, this is a brand new shower pan. The tools you're going to need is silicone seal, a large wrench, and that's pretty it, guys. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna lay this. We're gonna take this off first, actually. Okay. Your seal is gonna go bottom. You got your second seal, so we're gonna put it like just like that, so we don't get confused. Now we're gonna go ahead and take this ring off next. So you lock a ring, and then you got your seal underneath that. Okay, right there. You want to make sure. This seal, you see how that angle faces up, okay? So we're gonna set it like this so that you don't get confused when we put it back on. Next, we're gonna lay this pan down. Okay, watch your finger. Get a good little wipe here so we can apply some silicone. Apply some silicone there. Just a little bit, we don't need much. Now some people say use plumber. Some plumber clay or whatever, but I like to use silicone. It's a little bit better for plastic. There it goes. Oh, it's coming all up. And then you can wipe it down later, okay? It's just enough to seal it. And just kind of like that. Okay, next I'm gonna apply this on here. Okay, it's like that, guys. See that? You want it in the center, okay? And again, you can apply this layer here, just kind of wiggle it. I'm gonna lift it up here. Okay, now you want to put your seal, your thick seal first, and your second seal on, okay? Just like that. And go clockwise. Like that, and then before you tighten it, you want to adjust it, make sure it's in the center. Hand tighten it. It's about center. Like I mentioned earlier, guys, just wipe it here. You see that? I just give it a good wipe. Now we're gonna lock this up really good. Just locking wrench here and just kind of twist it and lock it in place where it's just locked, you know, tight enough, not too over tight, but tight enough where it's not gonna leak. I'm gonna do it one more time here. Okay, good. See that? Okay. It's in the center. Make sure it's in the center. I put this down to make sure it fits. Final step, guys, to install your drain is you put your seal here. You see this seal? Put that in, but you want to make sure this flat face go up, okay? Put that in, just slide it in. Because that's gonna help it from not leaking. And you put your locking bolt in and slowly turn it. You got this tool here that came with it. turn it. There you go. Okay. I might have to push it down a little bit more. My pipe's actually high. I'm just gonna use this here. Okay. Yeah, it's pretty simple, guys. That's all to it. And then just wanna get where it's tight so it doesn't leak. Okay. And that's it, guys. You have yourself a nice drain. You can see here, you just pop this cover on and you're good. Okay. We can see how that crown, locking crown ring goes around, and to unloose it, you go the opposite. To tighten it, of course, you go clockwise. Okay. Until next DIY, see you next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.